Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the always on display clock and image on Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, when you lock your phone and tap on the screen, you can see the always on display clock style, widgets, fingerprint on your device. If you want to change this clock style and image on your device, follow this tutorial. In the latest One UI 8 and previous One UI 7 version, remove the always on display clock setting. When you go to the lock screen and AOD setting, tap on always on display. In the One UI 6 version, you can find the clock style in the always on display option. But after the One UI 6, like One UI 7 and latest One UI 8 update, you can't find the clock style option. So you need to change always on display clock using the theme setting. So in this video, I will show how to change always on display clock image. So by default, you can see the lock screen clock style. Also, you can enable or disable show now bar on your always on display. Also when to show. So you can't find the clock style. To change the always on display clock, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the theme option at the bottom. Now here you can find the icons option or AODs option on device. So tap on the AODs at the bottom. Now here you can see the list of always on display image you set on your Samsung One UI 8 version or any other latest Samsung device. So tap on the top option. Here you can find all the free image, paid image you want to set on your always on display. So select the image. Here we select this image on my always on display. You can see this type of image looks on your always on display. So tap on the download. When you bottom, you can find the related images well also. So you can set it on your device. So here we select this moon image. Tap on the download on your device. After downloading, tap on the apply button. So you need to apply it to set the always on display image and clock on your device. So now tap on the apply button on your device. Here you can find the clock and image and image only. Choose then always on display style. So here we select both clock and image on my phone. So make sure select both clock and image. Tap on the done option. Now always on display apply. Now lock your phone and just tap on the screen and you can see the moon image on your always on display screen. So this is the settings only to change the always on display image on your device and the clock. If you want to share the lock screen clock style, so here you can see this lock screen clock style set. If you want to apply this lock screen clock style to always on display, you need to remove that icon. To remove that, again go to settings. In the always on display, you can find show lock screen clock. This will remove your downloaded AOD and show the lock screen clock on the always on display. So when you tap on this option, it will remove this always on display clock and image and set the lock screen clock style. So when you tap on it, tap on a remove. Now you can see set the lock screen clock style in the always on display. So quite easy to change the always on display clock and image on your latest One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.